Kylie Jenner is an undeniable force in the beauty and fashion world. From her early days on reality TV to becoming a beauty mogul with her cosmetics line, Kylie has shaped and shifted beauty standards globally. Her influence extends far beyond her immediate sphere, touching everything from makeup trends to skincare routines. Her admission to using lip fillers in 2015 sparked a massive surge in interest in the procedure, demonstrating her significant impact on beauty choices. Since then, Kylie's beauty style has evolved, and she has not only set trends but also inspired a generation to experiment with their own beauty routines. Kylie's routine, now detailed through social media and interviews by Vogue, offers a glimpse into the meticulous care and thought she puts into her appearance, influencing fans to take their skincare and makeup routines more seriously. So, what does Kylie's beauty routine look like, and what does it take to get that look? Today, we dive deep into Kylie's updated beauty routine, a revelation that marks a significant shift from her previous makeup philosophies, and without much ado, let's get started. Gone are the days of heavy layers and bold contours, as Kylie just ushered in an era of understated elegance and natural charm. Kylie's journey into the realm of beauty has not just been about the products she uses, but the story they tell. And as we explore her routine, it becomes clear that this transformation is more than skin deep. It reflects her evolution as a person, a mother, and an entrepreneur. Kylie's approach to makeup now prioritizes skin health and a radiant, natural look over the dramatic transformations of the past. A commitment to simplicity and authenticity is at the heart of her new routine. Kylie begins with the basics, emphasizing the importance of a well-prepared canvas. Her routine starts with a lip scrub, a step that might seem small but is pivotal for the perfect pout. But we will get to that in a few. Foundation application has taken a turn for the intimate, with Kylie opting to use her hands more than ever. By using her hands, Kylie blends the foundation seamlessly into her skin, achieving a finish that's both flawless and natural. The shift towards a more natural look doesn't mean Kylie shies away from glam. Instead, she has mastered the art of less is more. Her new routine is about enhancing her features rather than transforming them. Contouring is softer, bronzer is used sparingly, and the focus is on achieving a healthy glow rather than a sculpted facade. But let's not jump haphazardly. Let's take a more systematic approach and start with the preparation. Kylie Jenner's beauty routine starts with a crucial yet often overlooked step: lip care. She begins with a gentle lip scrub, emphasizing the importance of starting with a smooth and hydrated base. This isn't just about prepping the lips for makeup, it's a process that sets the tone for her entire beauty process. By exfoliating, she ensures that any lip product applied later, be it a bold color or a subtle gloss, looks flawless and lasts longer. Next, Kylie shares her unique approach to foundation application. Eschewing brushes and sponges, she opts for a more personal touch, using her fingers to blend the product into her skin. This method allows for a more natural, skin-like finish, as the warmth of her hands helps the foundation melt seamlessly into her complexion. It's a technique that highlights her preference for a base that enhances rather than masks her natural beauty. The magic, however, lies in her blend of moisturizer and foundation. Kylie mixes these two products to create a concoction that offers hydration and coverage. This step is key to achieving a luminous, dewy look that doesn't feel heavy or cakey. It's a testament to her belief that skincare and makeup should work hand in hand to enhance, not overshadow, one's natural features. Through these initial steps, Kylie underscores the importance of a well-prepared base. It's not just about the products used, but how they're applied. Her routine is a blend of careful product selection and thoughtful application techniques, all aimed at achieving a look that's effortlessly chic and unmistakably her. Kylie Jenner's approach to contouring has evolved, reflecting a shift towards subtlety and naturalism in her beauty routine. She now opts for a lighter touch with bronzer, carefully sculpting her features to enhance rather than redefine them. This method illuminates her natural bone structure, creating a soft, shadowed effect that's elegant and understated. It's a technique that speaks to her growing preference for makeup that complements rather than transforms. The introduction of glow bombs into her routine adds a fresh dimension to her look. These hydrating blushes, available in peachy tones, bring a vibrant, youthful flush to the cheeks. They're not just color products, but skincare-infused makeup that nourishes while providing a radiant finish. Kylie's use of these glow bombs showcases her love for products that serve dual purposes, enhancing beauty while promoting skin health. To set her makeup, Kylie has pared back on powder, using it sparingly to maintain the skin's natural luminosity. This minimal use ensures her face retains a glow that's both healthy and natural-looking, avoiding the matte, flat finish that heavier powder application can produce. It's a testament to her evolving beauty philosophy, where the goal is to highlight rather than hide, to glow rather than matte down. Kylie Jenner's approach to eye makeup has also seen a significant transformation, moving towards a lighter, more natural aesthetic. This shift is a nod to the beauty of simplicity, focusing on enhancing the eyes without overwhelming them. It's a departure from the heavy, dramatic looks of the past, embracing instead a subtlety that speaks volumes. Central to this new approach is her use of cream shadows. These products are chosen for their ability to provide a wash of color that blends effortlessly into the skin, creating a soft, ethereal effect. The cream shadows are applied with a gentle hand, allowing for a buildable intensity that never feels heavy. This technique is perfect for achieving a look that's both understated and captivating, highlighting the eyes without drawing attention away from the natural beauty of the face. Kylie also shares invaluable tips for applying mascara, a step that's crucial in her routine for enhancing natural lashes. She emphasizes the importance of focusing on the outer corners to create a wide-eyed, almond-shaped appearance. This method not only lifts the eyes, but also adds a subtle drama that's in keeping with her overall aesthetic. Kylie's technique involves a careful application, avoiding clumping by wiggling the brush at the base of the lashes and sweeping upwards. This ensures each lash is coated, lengthened, and separated, giving a natural yet defined look that complements the overall softness of her eye makeup. Kylie Jenner's eyebrow philosophy has also changed, mirroring the broader shift in beauty trends from meticulously sculpted arches to a more natural, bushy appearance. This change reflects a deeper appreciation for the beauty of natural shapes and textures, moving away from the one-size-fits-all approach to a more personalized and authentic expression of individuality. Kylie has openly shared her journey with eyebrow care, including the challenges and revelations she's encountered. Along the She Shares and Anecdotes is about the transformative power of letting her brows grow fuller, embracing their natural business rather than trimming them. This approach has changed how her brows frame her face and how they enhance her overall look, adding a youthful and vibrant energy that's both refreshing and modern. Her preference for a more natural brow look doesn't mean a lack of care or attention. On the contrary, Kylie emphasizes the importance of regular grooming to maintain the shape and health of her brows. She opts for minimal plucking to keep them tidy while allowing them to thrive naturally. This balance between care and restraint is key to achieving effortlessly beautiful brows. Kylie also touches on the products she uses to enhance her brows, choosing those that offer a light touch of color and hold without the stiffness or artificial look that heavier products can produce. Her goal is to complement the natural beauty of her brows, not overshadow it. Through her personal experiences, Kylie has advocated for embracing one's natural beauty, encouraging her followers to find confidence in their unique features. Her shift towards natural, bushy brows is not just a style choice, but a statement about the beauty of authenticity and the confidence that comes from embracing one's natural self. Highlighting, for Kylie, is about bringing a natural glow to the face, accentuating her features with a subtle shimmer that catches the light just right. She applies highlighter to the high points of her face, the cheekbones, brow bones, down the bridge of the nose, and a touch on the Cupid's bow. This technique enhances her natural contours, creating dimension and a soft radiance that emanates from within. The choice of highlighter, often creamy or liquid, blends seamlessly with the skin, avoiding any harsh lines or glittery overkill. Setting the makeup is the final, crucial step in Kylie's routine, ensuring that her carefully applied products stay in place, maintaining their beauty from morning to night. She opts for a lightweight setting spray, misting it over her face in a fine, even layer. This locks in her makeup and adds a refreshing hydration boost, giving her skin a dewy finish that's both comfortable and long-lasting. For areas prone to shine or where makeup tends to shift, she might apply a translucent setting powder, pressing it gently into the skin to mattify without masking the glow beneath. Beyond the techniques and products, Kylie shares her insights on makeup and self-care, viewing her beauty routine as a form of self-expression and a moment of personal connection. She believes in makeup as a tool to enhance one's natural beauty, not to hide behind. This philosophy extends to her views on self-care, where she emphasizes the importance of taking time for oneself through skincare, makeup, or simply moments of quiet reflection. Drawing inspiration from Kylie Jenner's beauty routine doesn't have to break the bank. Here are some practical tips and affordable alternatives to incorporate aspects of her regimen into your own, ensuring you can achieve that signature Kylie look without splurging on high-end products. First off, focus on skincare. Kylie emphasizes the importance of a solid skincare routine, starting with a gentle cleanser and moisturizer. Look for products with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which are great for hydration and brightening, respectively. Drugstore brands like CeraVe and The Ordinary offer fantastic options at a fraction of the cost of high-end skincare. For makeup, the key is in the application. Kylie's makeup artist suggests using eye cream under the concealer to hydrate and minimize lines, a tip that can elevate your makeup game instantly. Affordable eye creams from brands like Neutrogena can provide similar benefits, ensuring your under-eye area looks smooth and your concealer applies flawlessly. Achieving Kylie's perfect glow doesn't require expensive highlighters. Instead, opt for drugstore brands like ELF or Wet n Wild, which offer luminous highlighters that can give you a comparable radiant look. Apply on the high points of your face, such as cheekbones and brow bones, to mimic Kylie's glowy skin. Lastly, Kylie's iconic lips are a crucial part of her beauty signature. While Kylie Cosmetics lip kits might be tempting, there are plenty of budget-friendly lip liners and liquid lipsticks that offer similar shades and longevity. Brands like NYX and ColourPop provide a wide range of colors and formulas that can help you achieve those coveted plump, matte lips without the hefty price tag. By adopting these tips and exploring affordable alternatives, you can recreate aspects of Kylie Jenner's beauty routine, achieving a glamorous look that's both budget-friendly and chic. So, are you ready to channel your inner Kylie Jenner with these beauty tips? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more beauty insights. Keep experimenting with your look, and who knows, you might just stumble upon your new signature style. Until our next beauty adventure, stay fabulous.